Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because their habits are stronger than their goals. Today, I'll show you how to build habits that practically run on autopilot. Even if you've failed 100 times before, let me tell you the truth no one teaches. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. You don't need more motivation. You need a habit environment that makes success the default. Think about it. Your phone is designed to distract you. Your environment is designed for convenience. And your habits, they're designed by whatever you repeatedly allow. If you want to change your life, don't start with what you want to do. Start with who you want to become. Goals say, I want to read 20 books. Identity says, I am the kind of person who reads every day. One is motivation-driven. One is identity-driven. Identity wins every time. Write this down. Every action I take is a vote for the type of person I want to become. Most habits fail because we start too big. So here's the 2-minute law. Make the habit so small, so ridiculously easy, that you can't say no. Want to journal? Start with 1 sentence. Want to read? Read 1 page. Want to work out? Do 1 push-up. Consistency beats intensity, always. Your environment shapes you more than your willpower, so engineer it. Want to stop scrolling? Put your phone in another room when working. Want to eat clean? Don't store junk food at home. Remove the temptation, don't fight it. Want to read more? Put a book on your bed so you have to touch it before sleeping. Design beats discipline. What gets measured gets repeated. Use a habit tracker, digital or paper. Every check mark is a dopamine reward. Your brain loves progress. Feed it. People quit because they don't feel rewarded early. So reward the process and not the outcome. Finish your 2-minute habit. Celebrate it, even silently. Small wins create big identity shifts. In the next 10 years, you will have habits. The only question is, did you build them or did they build you? Start today. Choose identity. Choose consistency. Choose the life you actually want. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Mind Engineering, and comment, I choose better habits. Let's build a stronger mind together.